from the man who done lost both of his hands. Angel boy, never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to speed clean our house today. Fortunately, it isn't that messy compared to the other days, so I have a lot more time to focus on other things. I hope you enjoy this video.
That's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy. Angel boy. Late nights, calls on the phone. I want late nights, keep it down on the low. Be fast, but I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Stop, stare. Want your body. Hot damn. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy.
I washed all of our sheets yesterday, and since the weather is hot now, I was able to have them all dried up under the heat of the sun in just a day. This means we don't have to go to the laundromat to use the dryer anymore, hence saving us money.
Angel boy, angel boy, never gonna stand a chance. Angel boy, you say that I'm your
After months of trying to fold fitted sheets, I still can't get the hang of it. This makes me wonder if everyone is as confused as me when it comes to folding it.
angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love.
I already started replacing our sheets weekly since I can't have them dried easily under the sun now. This makes my skin so happy since we're going to have fresh sheets every week starting today. By the way, as you can see, we've replaced our old two-seater couch with these two single couches. I prefer these single couches better since they are more soft and it made the house look a little expensive. But kidding aside, I love how it fits well with the theme of our living area.
Die on me one time, I just wanna see what happens. Don't ignore you, wanna know you, show you all the classics. Know I'm spoiled, but I saw you when I saw the talent. The first glance when I knew that I gotta have it, yeah. You were so left field with it. 80 proof, you gon' prove that you real with it. Used to moving real timid, letting loose, the little sinning. Low key like a seal mission. Choked up in a submission, you so fucked up. All hugs when the lights switching. You the only one I get the cost. If you try running, got me snapping back at anybody with their eyes on it. Motherfucker, I run it, yeah. Why these nights so ironic?
I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking
looking for a girl to gon' leave in the morning. Next day, new place, you a tourist. Wish I stayed blind to the fact. Blaming on the night and the jack. When the fit all black, I ain't seen nothing wrong. My action, they just want my reaction. Try to hold that shit for ransom. Stay chilly with a stone face. Shoot my shot like what's up, but I draw blanks. Go getter, I'm a gorilla. Got my sights on gold chains. There's a lot that don't tell you, no, I should've known better. You eye candy and I been fed up. Iron grip on a Stella, bitch, I won't let up. She think that it's just for the night. Fuck it then, I be out acting like she right. Feeling like she just moving on my homies out of spite. Give a fuck about it, find another one I like. Let you know about it, yeah. When the night's not controlling you, so when you get up and you leave, but I don't wanna see what you open to. Like the renegade life, but I don't, yeah. I don't, I don't, I don't.
Your heart, and ever since that day, boy, you ain't been the same, no. I played my part, did everything to love you, thinking you'd change. Maybe you got your issue, and I have no regrets. Anything concerning you and me, it was a lesson learned.
If you've seen my last cleaning videos, you'll notice that I don't have the spice rack and the bowl of onions and garlic in the corner of our counter. That's because I removed all of it and placed it in the first top drawer below the stove. I've been really planning to do it ever since we moved in here, and I just got the motivation recently to do it. Anyway, I'm just happy now that I've already cleared up the kitchen counter. It looks a lot fresher and cleaner now.
But it's just some things you gotta throw in this game of love. Oh, you hurt me first, so you gotta make it up. Baby, you got your issue, and I have no regrets. Anything concerning you and me, it was a lesson learned. Gave you my all, and this time I ain't got nothing left. As much as I wanna love you right now, ain't the time. So you gotta let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. Baby, I know you're hurting, but I don't deserve it. You then keep loving me, one foot outside the door. You need to let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. I know you're hurting, but I don't deserve it. You can keep loving me, one foot outside the door. You need to let it go. Let it go, baby.
Now, I'm just going to give a quick wipe to our bathroom counter and the mirror, and then I'll proceed with vacuuming the floor.
one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. Die with me one time, I just wanna see what happens. Don't ignore you, wanna know you, show you all the classics. Know I'm spoiled, but I saw you when I saw the talent. The first glance when I knew that I gotta have it, yeah. You were so left field with it. 80 proof, you gon' prove that you real with it. Used to moving real timid, letting loose the little cynic. Low key like a SEAL mission. Choked up in a submission. You so fucked up, all hugs when the lights switching. You the only one I get the calls if you try running. Got me snapping back at anybody with their eyes on it. Motherfucker, ironic, yeah. Why these nights so ironic? I'm not looking for one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking for a girl to go leave in the morning. Next day, new place, you a tourist. Wish I stayed blind to the fact. Blaming on the night and the jack. When the fit all black, I ain't seen nothing wrong with my action. They just want my reaction. Try to hold that shit for ransom. Stay chilly with a stone face. Shoot my shot like what's up, but I draw blanks. Go getter, I'm a gorilla. Got myself some gold chains. There's a lot I don't tell you, no, I should've known better. You eye candy and I been fed up. Iron grip on a Stella, bitch, I won't let up. She think that it's just for the night. Fuck it then, I be out acting like she right. Feeling like she just moving on my homies out of spite. Give a fuck about it, find another one I like. Let you know about it, yeah. When the night's not controlling you, so you get up and you leave. But I don't wanna see what you open to. Like the renegade life, but I don't. I don't. I don't. I don't.
So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you're going to give this a thumbs up. And by the way, I just want to show you this brown mirror that we bought also for the bedroom. If you can see, inside the bedroom, I wanted everything to be brown. We have a brown side table, brown mirror, and then this brown dresser, so they are all matching. And then for the living area, I decided that everything should be white. Anyway, I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram at lovetrisha12. I post a lot of Instagram stories over there to give you an update about my channel. And I'm going to start decorating our Christmas tree for our first Vlogmas. So I'm going to make a Vlogmas video starting December 1st. I'm not sure yet if it will be an everyday video or just around 3 times a week. So let's see what will happen. And then, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!